Hi, I'm Renee. I clean, declutter, and organize my followers' homes for free. In this episode, I organize and declutter a master clothes closet and a master bedroom. This will be a 3-part series. Part 2 will be the spare room and kitchen, and Part 3 will be a very cluttered basement. So I started in the master bedroom closet. This is to make sure she was able to get her clothes without tripping over items on the floor. I kept her outfits that she had together as a set in one area. She also used soda can pull tabs on soda cans to extend her wardrobe vertically. I took the items apart so she would be able to see all of her clothes. The coats got moved to the far end of the rack, but will be eventually relocated to another location. This family reached out to me to help their 85-year-old parents who had a very serious health scare. They were both in the hospital for 3 weeks at the same time and then in a nursing home for 4 weeks. The goal before they came home from the nursing home was to have their home safe and clutter-free for them. I put all the dresses on one rack, and they will also be moved to another area later on. I also had to remember that there was clothes in the clothes closet in the bedroom, as well as clothes in the guest room that would potentially go into this closet. This couple has lived all over the world, places like Cuba, Venezuela, Spain, Ohio, and now in the South. I don't think she threw any of her clothes away for the last 60 years. I'll do before and after videos after I complete each area. Once I had what I thought was most of the clothes organized in this closet, I started on the shoes that were on the floor. On this afternoon, the mother got to come home from the nursing home, and we walked through all of the shoes that she would wear. Once that was decided, I put them in the shoe organizer. Then I went back down to the floor to start on the purses, shoes, and then boxes that were above all of the clothes. After she went through all of her shoes, she then pared down all of her purses. She made quick decisions on her purses. I think we counted well over 100 of them. She was exhausted after that and went back to the nursing home. These clothes I found from the laundry and in their bedroom. Please feel free to hit the like button because it lets me know how useful this video is to you and if I should create more content like this. So this area is just before you walk into the closet. These closets are some of the clothes she also wanted to keep. The boxes on this shelf are empty. She wanted to keep the pretty ones. She then got to come back home for another couple of hours on another day. And we went through this closet, which was inside of the master bedroom. This was all of her sweaters. I decluttered and organized all of the items on the door first, and she wanted to keep almost all of her sweaters, so not much changed here. We then had her to decide on the clothes that were in the closets in the master bedroom. Once the decisions were made, I then moved them into the master closet. This is all of the clothes she decided to donate. She did a great job of paring down all of these clothes and making decisions as she was trying to recover from her health issues. I'm lucky enough to help these families, and when you watch this video to the end, you're helping more families to declutter and organize their homes. I was able to free up space in this closet system to be able to hang the purses she wanted to keep. I'm so glad I could help this family. I moved the shelf up and stored her flat purses here. This is where I moved the long dresses and winter coats and suits that she infrequently wore. Leave a comment below on how you decide which clothes to keep and which to donate when you go through your clothes closet. We had many bags of donation of clothes. Thank you so much for watching. My next video is ready for you to watch. I'll see you there.